This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Coreldraw is responsive and that you have enough RAM for the JPG. This avoids crashes. Once ready, press Ctrl+I or choose File Import to invoke the importer. In the dialog, navigate to the JPG and select it. Make sure to choose Link when you want smaller document size and editable external file, or Embed when you need a self-contained file. This decision affects file size and workflow later. After importing, click once to drop the JPG at its native size, or click-drag to size it interactively. Hold Shift to scale from center for precise placement. Once placed, use the property bar to set exact width/height, change DPI, or assign a color profile so colors remain consistent. If you plan vector edits, either convert to bitmap for raster effects or run PowerTrace to convert to vectors. Understanding which you need saves time, and to finish, position the image, lock or group it to avoid accidental moves, then apply effects or export through File Export with proper format and resolution for your target. Make sure color space matches the output, RGB for web, CMYK for print, so colors print accurately. If you see artifacts, slow performance, or missing updates, re-import at lower resolution, switch link versus embed, or clear the Coreldraw cache. That one troubleshooting step often resolves common import problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.